Hello and welcome back to another episode of Give It a Shot. Before we get started, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers for subscribing to this channel. It really means a lot to me knowing that you guys like this channel enough to subscribe. If you haven't, please click the subscribe button. Give me thumbs up if you like the video. My dad once said to us one day, "Wow, cherry Pepsi." So give me those thumbs up if you like the video. Today we're going to be making a cookie dough cheesecake cupcake. We're going to take the cookie dough, we're going to put it on the bottom of the cupcake holder. We're going to pour the cheesecake on top of it, throw it in the oven, let it cook, let it bake, and then afterwards, hopefully, we're going to have a really good dessert for the family. So let's check out the ingredients that we're going to need. Alright, so we're going to start with the cookie dough that we're just going to put on the bottom of the cupcake holders, like I said. The rest of the ingredients is what we're going to use to make the cheesecake part. 1 cream cheese, 3/4 cup sugar. We're going to use 2 eggs, 1/3 cup sour cream, and 1/3 cup heavy cream. We're going to mix all that together to make the cheesecake, and that's going to go on top of the cookie dough. Okay, so I'm going to be using the 1/3 cup heavy cream. I'm going to pour that in first. Next, I'm going to use the 2 eggs. We're going to use the 3/4 cup sugar. The 1/3 cup sour cream. And then the cream cheese. And we're going to mix. We're going to beat it on a low setting. You want to make sure that it's nice and smooth. No chunks of the cream cheese in there. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's turn it up. We don't want no chunks. We don't want no chunks. Smooth. Alright, that's perfect. So on to the next step. Putting the cookie dough into the cupcake holders. I've finished putting the holders in. Now we're going to be taking the cookie dough, taking about a spoonful, and placing them into the bottom of the holders. Pressing them down, making sure that they're covering the bottom, and then we're going to be going and pouring in the cheesecake. So once again, I'm going to fast forward so you don't have to watch me doing all of that cookie dough, and then we'll get to the cheesecake. They have all been filled in with cookie dough. Our next step is to take the cheesecake part. We're going to pour that into the cookie dough. And we're going to continue that for every single one. So as you can see, we filled it with the cheesecake batter. Now it's ready to go into the oven. The oven we're going to set at 350 degrees. We filled in the cheesecake batter. We set the oven to 350 degrees. We're going to put the pans in the oven for roughly around 55 minutes. And then afterwards, we're going to check to see if it's perfection. Alright, so they're finished. I'm going to take them out. As you can see there, it's a nice golden brown. So we're going to let them cool down. After they cooled a little bit, we'll put them into the fridge, let them chill. And then we'll take them back out and do the taste test. We've made it to the taste test. I chosen one out of the bunch to see how it's going to taste and give it a shot. So, let's try this. Bon appetit to all you watching. Okay, so if I had to give that a rating, I would rate that a 6. The cheesecake part of it does taste very good. The cookie dough, as you can see, is definitely crispy. I like my cookies to be softer. So that is why I would give it a 6. Maybe next time I can try putting it in the oven for only 50 minutes instead of 55 and see if the cookie dough doesn't get as crisp. If that would be softer, then I would definitely give it a shot again. But comment down below. Let me know if you guys like crispier cookies. Maybe this is a 10 for you guys. But again, I'm a softer cookie type guy, softer batch, so for me it's a 6. But thanks for tuning in on another edition of Give It a Shot. Please make sure to subscribe, and if you want to check out any of these other videos, please do so. Thank you for everything, and we'll see you next time on Give It a Shot.